it's me, Akaja, again, and we're going to be seeing what she's going to be doing. I have no clue what she's going to be doing. So if you want to relax, sit back and get a bucket of popcorn, you can do that. And if you're old, I'm sorry for your health and stuff, but we're going to do it anyway. See ya. All right, what are you doing? This is my house, and I think it's lovely. First, we're going in the bathroom. I'm going to show you in the toilet, too. Okay. This is me. And, hang on. This is what's inside of it. Here's the other side. This is some stuff. This is some stuff. I have no clue this. Now, inside of it. Now, all the other stuff. Anastasia. And stop rolling around that chair. You're going to get your butt whipped by your aunt. And yeah. And I'm only 9 years. I'm only 9 years old, and I'm becoming an aunt already.
You were an aunt 9 years ago.
Shut up. Shut up. You're so freaking fat. No one wants to hear you. The YouTube people. What to do? If you're not doing anything violent.
Oh, you're about to. Hey, you want to play a game?
No.
Come on, it'll be fun.
No, I'm not doing anything.
It's called Killer Kingdom.
No. No.
Do you want to build a snowman?
My YouTube followers like you. That's why.
I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? Doesn't have to be a snowman.
Dumb-wit. Idiotic freak. Can I see your tablet for a second?
No.
Please? Fine. I was going to show you guys about Angela. If you don't know, if you don't like to know, she's been having strange things in her eyes, saying dumb kind of things, and she also has a stalker, a camera that if you touch her, the guy in her eyes will take a picture of you, and you don't even know it, which is really creepy for my instincts. And I think it should. Everybody on YouTube says it shouldn't be allowed, so I think it shouldn't be allowed because it's just weird that Angela has somebody, and she's the most cat I admire on Talking Friends. That's the most cat I actually do. But since Stacia won't let me show it to you, I don't got any other electronics. But I got my phone, and it's dead, so I don't know what will work. But next time, I will show you what this monster is doing. And it's not pretty. But if you want to check it out, you guys are idiotic freaks. If you want to check that out and get kidnapped. And if you're watching as parents, your children, if your children have it, delete it immediately. If you have it for a month, you're doomed. If you have it, you're okay. But if you did, you're doomed for life. They'll track you, even if you move. They have They'll put a tracker on your phone. They'll try to find you wherever you go. And they don't give a crap if you're an aged girl. They care if you're a boy because they don't go to boys. And this girl pictured him. He got it and pictured him on the screen. And I thought it was actually pretty creepy. And I really want that curtain shut because you never know. I get freaked out. And shut up, no, talking there. Sorry. What? I don't know. Be back. Sorry. Is this thing on? Sorry, my stepmom Tammy. She wanted to know what we were having, what we wanted for dinner. Well, I call her my stepmom because she's pretty related to me, and she's actually. I want to see it. Fine, I won't call you when you're not freaking. You could hit me. Okay, now can I see it?
No. You're rude to me. Please.
So, my stupid freaking little niece over here thinks it's okay
I'm bigger than you.
to talk to her aunt like she got some sense.
I do have.
And she don't got no sense because she has no brain. I want to show you guys Angela.
Tell them to go to talking and cut it. I beat you with the turkey baster.
Fine. Beat me. Ew. Ew. You can beat me with it.
See this? She abused me, so I abuse her. Abuse.
I don't abuse her. I'm only 9.
You do
I don't know how to control a kid. Okay? Now can I see it, please?
No, you abuse me.
You
abuse me. You abuse me.
Go away, then. Go away, then. Ew. If you keep hitting me,
A turkey baster is a perfect weapon.
Ew! It hurts.
Control of your children. The turkey baster, everybody. Get one.
I want to see that.
Don't touch it.
Please.
Don't touch it.
Please, I want to show you.
Don't touch it.
Please, I want to show you fucking Angela.
Don't ever let your aunt touch your tablet. For certain.
Don't ever let your children go to Talking Angela, or that's what's going to happen.
Or Stalker will come to your house. It just went off.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
That's not the video. It's still rolling.
Oh.